Well, hey guys, this is Gary Lonis, owner of Axe Heating and Cooling, and we are out here in Loris, beautiful Loris today. And what is our job today? Our job today, let me turn this phone around, is this guy. Look, this is a heat pump for your pool. There's the pool. There's the water lines. And this is a heat pump that this is a heated pool. So let me see if I can point my finger down here. Right here, that circle, that's called your heat exchanger. That's your compressor. And this is a heat exchanger, right? So the water goes in, it goes around, it gets heated, and then comes out. And so anyhow, we have a crack. Let's see if I can zoom in, if this will allow me to. Zoom in right there on that piece. Let me see if I can get my finger in the picture here. Well, the finger's too big. Anyhow, you'll see that crack right there. You see a little water dripping out of there. And that crack goes all the way up into that fitting. So what we need to do is replace this whole heat exchanger. A lot of people don't know that about Axe Heating, but we don't just stop at residential heating and cooling for your homes. We also do, because we're Rheem Pro partners, we deal with pool heat pumps as well. And so these are a wonderful addition if you have a pool to have. Things go wrong with it, just like on your regular home HVAC. So if you need any help in reference to your pool heat pump, give me a call. 843-222-5170. I don't know if that's reading that backwards or not, but there it is. 843-222-5170. If you need any help, give us a call. Or you can go online and go to our website at actshvac.com. But stay tuned, because we're going to repair this and get it back in operation. All right, so these homeowners can enjoy their pool. All right, have a good day.